In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Image Skincare Ageless Total Facial Cleanser. What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on. So it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home. So guys, welcome to Skin Time with Caroline. I upload videos weekly to YouTube, but what I also want to offer you guys today is a sticky discount, and what I mean by that is you will get 20% off our online skin shop, and you'll also hold on to this 20% for life as a thank you for supporting our online skin shop on havanaskinclinic.com, and you'll get full details below this video. The Ageless Total Facial Cleanser is a foaming cleanser with a 12% glycolic acid blend to gently exfoliate the skin, remove any makeup impurities, accelerate cell turnover, to remove any surface dead skin cells, and to promote new cells to the surface of your skin whilst balancing the pH level of your skin at the same time, so that it's going to mean you don't need to be using a toner at the same time. So the Ageless Total Facial Cleanser is a foaming cleanser with a 12% glycolic acid blend to increase cell turnover, remove dead skin cells, remove any excess oil, dirt, any impurities from your makeup, and also at the same time it's going to balance out your skin, the pH level in your skin, so there's no need to be using a toner alongside this product. It's great for anti-aging purposes and can be used every single night. When you're applying it onto your skin, apply it onto damp skin with wet hands, massage it in for about 60 seconds and then wash it off with cold water thoroughly, making sure you've removed all the products, and that's going to leave your skin looking and feeling instantly refreshed. The product is suitable for all skin types because it's only going to gently exfoliate your skin, but it's especially good for anybody who suffers with acne, so for acne prone skin or for just general anti-aging purposes. So what I do is I help mothers to not criticise themselves in the morning when they're dropping their children to school. I have 3 kids myself, so I know how that feels when you have to just rush out in the morning and you don't have the time to put your makeup on. So how I do this is I advise and encourage and motivate women to use the correct products for their skin and put a little bit of time and effort into a small little bit of home care, which is going to help them to either not wear makeup or to feel comfortable wearing minimal makeup when they go out. If you get value here, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to leave them in the comments below this video and I'll get back to you personally myself to help you out. And also head over to my private Facebook page, Skin Time with Caroline. The details will be below this video, where you'll get much more skin tips and anti-aging techniques and lots of tips and tricks on how to care for your skin.